Hey everybody, welcome to the Minute Academy. Please be sure to like and subscribe. If you really like this channel, you can check out our digital products down below. The more money we get from the products that you buy below, the more content we can make. All right, let's get to the video. What is a programming language? A programming language is a set of instructions that produces various output for computers. People who write programming languages are called computer programmers. A programmer writes instructions in source code. When the source code is run, it is first compiled to see if there are any errors. If the source code has an error, it is called a bug. Programmers will have to debug their code in order for it to work properly. There are many different types of programming languages. High-level languages require less hardware knowledge, and low-level languages require more work and more knowledge. Some examples of popular programming languages include C++, Python, JavaScript, Swift, and many more. There are always new programming languages being created. Without programming languages, computers would not work, so it's no wonder that computer programming is a fantastic career. Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. If you really like this video, please like it and share it. It would mean the world to me if this video only got 1,000 likes. Remember that this channel doesn't do a Patreon, instead we sell our digital products down below. The more money we get from the products that you buy below, the more content we can make. If you really like this channel, you can subscribe to Mammoth Interactive's huge library of content. We have everything from web development to machine learning to game development and many more tutorials. Our goal is to get to 10,000 paid subscribers. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in another video.